Hello children, welcome to the English class. In this class, let us learn the new Poem 8, Another Chance. Before going through the poem, children, let us see pre-reading activity. How do you feel if you succeed after many attempts? So children, how do you feel when you get success after trying many times? You'll feel very happy. What makes one look for chances? What makes one look for chances? If you fail, then you want another chance to get success in that. Do you think we should always be thinking of our past? No, we should not be always thinking of our past. So as it loses, as it makes to lose our hopes. So by thinking about the future and by thinking about the present to get success in our life, we should always work on the present, and we have to think to get success in the future. So children, this poem, it is written by Helen Steiner Rice. Helen Steiner Rice, she was an American poetess who used to write religious and inspirational poetry. She used to write poets on religions and inspirational. Religions means dharmika, inspirational means spurtidhayaka poetry. She used to write religious and inspirational poetry, children. So let us go through the poem. How often we wish for another chance to make a fresh beginning, a chance to blot out our mistakes and change failure into winning. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. It only takes a deep desire to try with all our heart. To to live a little better, and to always be forgiving, and to add a little sunshine to the world in which we are living. So never give up in despair and think that you are through, for there's always a tomorrow and the hope of starting new. So children, in this poem, the poetess, she is telling that we will always get another chance to get success in our life, to change a failure into winning. With all our deep desire, with all our deep wish, we have to work hard to get this success. So, to be happy in our life, we should forgive others' mistakes, and we have to forget our mistakes also, and that makes us to live happily. So, we have to understand our mistake, and we have to overcome that mistake. We should not repeat those mistakes. So we should never lose hope, because there is always another chance to change failure into winning. So now let us see the poem by stanza by stanza. How often we wish for another chance to make a fresh beginning, a chance to blot out our mistakes and change failure into winning. So, in the first stanza, the poet says that many times we wish for another chance. Okay, many times we think that we may get another chance to make a new beginning in our life. So, always we wish to get a chance to purposely try to forget an unpleasant memory and change the failure into winning. So, students, in our life many times what happens, we get failures. So always what we have to do, we have to wait another chance so that we can change that failure into winning. So always we have to wait to begin a new beginning in our life. We should never think of the past. We should overcome our mistakes and we have to change the failure into winning. So, in the next stanza, it does not take a new day to make a brand new start. It only takes a deep desire to try to with all our heart. So, in the second stanza, the poetess is telling us to change the failure into winning. It does not take a new day. So, we should not wait for a new day to change the failure into winning. Or to make a new start, we should not wait for a new day, but we should have deep wish. Okay, deep vision, and we must try with all our heart. We have to work hard and try with all our heart to get success in our life. So we'll see the next stanza. To live a better, sorry, to live a little bit better, and to always be forgiving, and to add a little sunshine to the world in which we are living. In the third stanza, the poetess is telling us to lead a better life, we must always have the quality of forgiving. When we forgive mistakes of others, it adds little sunshine to the world in which we are living, which means that by forgiving others we can stay happily together, which also adds happiness to our life. So forgiving and forgetting the past mistakes, so it adds happiness to our life and to the life of others also. So it is always that we have to forgive and forget the mistakes of others. We have to not repeat those mistakes, and we have to lead a happy life. So, next, in the last stanza, so never give up in despair and think that you are through, for there's always a tomorrow and the hope of starting new. In the last stanza, the poetess is telling that if you have failure in your life, you must never give up. That means you should never lose your hope of winning. You must never think you have lost something forever, because there's always a tomorrow, means we will have another opportunity to start a new beginning. We will have another chance to start a new beginning. So when we start a new beginning, we should not repeat those mistakes. We have to stop those mistakes, and we have to work hard to get success in our life. So as it is said that Helen Steiner Rice, she was an inspirational poet. She used to write poetry which inspire the people. So this poem also, it inspires, it gives a positive hope that in our life, if we have a failure, we will have another chance. So we should not repeat the mistakes by which we have failed, and we have to overcome. We have to not repeat those mistakes, and we have to have another chance and get success in our life. So in this poem, at last the poetess, she's giving us the message that in a life we always get a chance to make a new start, a chance to erase our mistake and to change failure into winning. So we must try hard to get success in our life. I hope you have understood this poem, children. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact me.